Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with
RoRo.Rainy.
And today I am coming home. I know that I haven't been posting at all, and I'm sorry about that, but it happened. It is July 17th. I have been here way longer than I wanted to, but plans changed. My flight got switched, so but I need to pack my entire room, and so yeah, Hunter's here. Okay, so if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to get notified every time that I post. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay. Woo! It's closed. I'm gonna go weigh it because I'm kind of worried because it's really heavy. It shouldn't be too much more than it was on the way here, but who knows? We are at about 55 pounds, so hopefully that's not too heavy. We are at the airport. That is the moon. That's so pretty. We're almost there. I'm home. It is the next day after arriving to my home, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was on the shorter side, but I mean, I think it looks cool, so anyway, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.